Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. So in this video guys, we are going to install the Elan driver on our Windows 10 or 11 operating system. So Elan is basically the touchpad driver. If you want to use like 3 fingers, 2 fingers scrolling on your Windows, so you need to have the Elan driver on your Windows 10 or 11 operating system. So how to install that? Open the Google Chrome or simply whichever browser you use mostly, and in my case I'm using here the HP laptop. So go to the manufacturer website like HP driver and go to first link of the official website of the manufacturer. Similarly, if you are using the Lenovo driver download, open that, select driver and software. Let's say if you are using the Dell driver download, just click on the driver and download links, and this is the official website of the HP laptop. Okay, so I need to select here the laptop, so you can choose desktop whichever you are using. So you should be using the laptop since we don't have the option in the scrolling option in desktop. Simply select desktop. Now you need to put here the serial number, means SN key. Similarly you can put here the serial number. So we need to press Windows plus R button together and type CMD and type this command WMIC BIOS get serial and number. Once you type this command, just hit enter and you need to select the serial number like this and hit enter. It will copy. So I have copied the serial number. Let me paste it here. Just you need to press Ctrl V button, and once you select Ctrl V button you will get the windows like this. So select your operating system here accordingly. Click on submit, and you need to select here all drivers, and once you select the all drivers, go to this option driver, keyboard, mouse and input devices. Input devices means the keypad or touchpad drivers. Expand that, and first you will see the Elan touchpad driver. Just click on download and click on no thanks, I will download and install it manually. Just click that option and it will be downloaded here. Let's wait. You can see here will be the file. Now download has started. If you are using the Lenovo laptop, you can press the serial key, select drivers and go to same option touchpad, and you can choose the Elan driver here. So let me check. Now download is done. We can run it from here as well. You can see the sign, or we can go to the download option. So we need to run it from here, and this is the shortcut way to run the any executable files from the browser. So let me refresh it. Okay, it's not it started. And click on yes button when the prompt opens, and click on next, accept it, next, next. Now in my case I have already using it Elan. Let me show you. You need to select a next and accept it, agreement, click on next, and it's going to install like this. Let me show you the here device. You can see Elan ClickPad. If I go to the setting option here, touchpad, okay, additional settings, you can see the options here, like drag and drop, multi-finger using, 3-finger zooming out, scrolling, all the options you can select here. And you can see in my case scrolling is enabled, clicking, zooming is enabled, 3-finger fingering is enabled. So this is the default setting. You can also choose that. So it's downloaded now. So once it's downloaded, you will see the green tick here. You will see once the driver is downloaded, you will see the tick box here. Click on finish, and you must restart your system. After you restart, you will get the Elan driver on your BIOS as well as the driver or the touchpad settings. So hope this video is useful for you guys. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.